Hey guys, welcome to Life with Jackie and Jessie. So for today, we're gonna be doing what's inside my purse. How exciting!
How exciting.
Okay, so I'm gonna start off with mine. Mine is a little bit
We'll
bigger.
both show our purses. We both have opposite purses. She has
Yeah.
a big one. I have a small purse.
Yeah. Okay, so I'll go first. So first thing that I have in my purse is a little makeup bag.
Oh, that's a
that
cute
I
one.
have. Yeah,
I like
I
that.
got it from Ipsy.
We're obsessed with Ipsy.
Yeah. And I basically just have makeup like brushes, powder, blush, and then the lipstick that I'm wearing in Sienna. So
Cute.
yep, that's my first item.
Oh, are we gonna go like one and one?
I think so.
Okay. So, let me just tell you guys. I don't even know what I have inside my purse. I have not looked inside, so there might be some embarrassing stuff. And I recently had to switch purses because this purse is actually my sister's, because I had an accident happen when we took my nephew to like a little, it's called Boomers.
It's like an amusement, a tiny
Yeah,
small
it's like a small
amusement
amusement park. So we went through go-karts, and somehow my nephew and I bumped cars, and my purse went flying out. It got stuck under his cart. It was destroyed. So right now, this is my purse. So yeah, let's see what's inside. I probably don't have I only have a couple of stuff. Oh, okay, first things first. I have my passport in here.
Ooh.
I know. I don't know why I have my passport in here.
Okay, I'm gonna take out a few things because I have a lot of things in here.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
Way
and then
too many.
in here,
Oh.
I have my ID.
Okay, so inside my purse I have a smaller purse, and this purse it's basically like my second wallet, so I'll put literally things that I'll use, like money, change, my credit card that I use more often, my bank card, and my ID. And then I also always carry like a little notepad to write stuff. I mean, it always comes in handy, yeah.
When you have big purses, you just put stuff in, a
You're
bunch of
putting
stuff in there.
things. I'm gonna take out a couple more things because so I have gum, and then I carry watches in my purse. Then you can read next because I just have way too much stuff.
Okay, and then I have a receipt from Chase. You guys don't need to see that. And then I have a Tilly's gift card. It has a kitty on it because everyone knows I love cats. Yeah. So
Can't beat that.
yeah, your turn.
Okay, and I actually have my bigger wallet, and well, obviously you guys know what's in there.
Stuff.
You know, it's terrible. People grab my purse and they're like, "Why is this so heavy?" And I'm like, "I have like everything that I need in
I
there."
have my whole life in my purse.
Okay, and I have my car keys, which I love having, like everything that people give me on keychains and stuff from vacations. I'll put it there. Oh my god, I have a Jamba Juice like drink thing. I have a separate coin bag.
A lot of stuff.
This is terrible. Okay, oh gosh, this is terrible. I have pills, you know, like,
Oh, I have
so
this
when we
too, and
feel
I think
bad.
I recently took them out.
and I have
I
a
love
bunch
it.
of lipsticks, which this I shouldn't even carry in here because it's like done. There's nothing in there, but I love this color. It's plum brown. It's like the most beautiful plum brown. It's really, really nice. I gotta buy it again.
It's my turn now.
Yeah.
Let's see what I have. I have this Jing Eye Velvet Shine Lip Jewel. So I basically have this in my purse for whenever I'm not wearing makeup. I'll just put this as a little lip tint and I'll get pink lips. I got this off Ipsy as well. And then I have this Lancome sample from Sephora. I like it. It's just not my shade.
Sample too.
Yeah. and then you can go because you just have a ton of things.
Okay. I have a sample too because I really fell in love with this foundation, and I got samples to see if it's the right color. I have pepper spray. And I just have a bunch of receipts in here. It's basically it. And I have, oh my gosh, okay. Yeah, it's just, the rest is literally a bunch of receipts, but I do have like eye drops, you know, if I'm feeling sad and I throw a tantrum in my car. No. And then a couple of more lipsticks. Yeah, so that's basically it. The rest is just receipts that I throw in there because I'm in a hurry, and it's just like literally it's just all receipts.
And then I have house key, and I have like, yeah, actually it's not mine. I have like random $1 bills just because I always try to have some type of like, no, not that I try to have cash on me, but I try to have like always $5 in my bag, or else I'll just use my card. And what else is in here? Actually, that's it, you guys. If I would have filmed this video like a week ago,
You had a way more
I would
things.
have had
Probably
some
like me.
embarrassing stuff in there. So let's be glad
Yeah.
that we don't have that. But just like the simple stuff, you know, like your debit card, your driver's license,
And look at what I have in here too.
Some lipstick.
Why?
oh, I used to have
I'm
that. I
probably-
think that's still in the other purse.
I'm just gonna throw this away. Gosh.
Yeah. Maybe we'll like redo this once I get my permanent purse, because I'm gonna have some juicy stuff in there.
Seriously, guys, like, what's going on here?
It's like that when you're a girl. Like if you have I remember when I would use my big purse, I would constantly just put stuff that I did not even need in there. So that's why I started like using my smaller purses, because then you only put essential stuff in there.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's the good thing.
And then if you have a big purse, like your arm is always getting tired because it's like super heavy. At least that's what would be my problem. But anyway, thank you guys so much for
Thank you.
watching, and